Oh baby, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat.
No. Why? There's a new rule. If you park next to me, you cannot air out.
That's what I told her.
She made fun of me last time. Definitely, if you park next to me, you cannot air out. It's a new rule. Oh. And he just did it. He aired out on me, man. We're about to go eat, man. Got the crew over there, got the people over there, man. Look at the lineup. Got the juice, man. Another Shelby right here, of course. AMG GTR. Christine. Oh, let me turn off Christine's lights, by the way. And go. Boom. Turn that off. Good to go. And of course, we got Mr. Torrid Cat Keith himself, man. Aired out on me. I don't like you, man. Oh, and of course we got GT 350R here.
That thing sounds so good.
It does, right? That thing sounds good, man. So, did I tell you we were gonna stop at Applebee's? I don't think I did. My bad. We're gonna stop at Applebee's. Hey guys, so I'm gonna tell you right now. First of all, we're over. Why you going at the camera? She hates being on camera, by the way. See here, man, we eating everybody, man. Everybody's sitting down now. But let me tell you guys something. So they gave us me and Gianni here, right? Say what's up, Gianni.
Hi.
So me and Gianni, we sat down. We got our. I got raspberry lemonade. He got a blue raspberry lemonade. And they asked us if we want our Twizzlers, right? So we got Twizzlers. This actually works, man. I put a Twizzler in here. There you go. Focus a little bit. I put a Twizzler in here, and you can actually drink out of this. My blown, super mind blown. Like, and it tastes different. It tastes like, because you got the taste of the Twizzlers on your lips. Pause. But you got the taste of the Twizzler, and then you taste the lemonade, you know, with it. Totally different thing, man. Applebee's blew my mind today. That's crazy. So go to Applebee's, order you a fruity lemonade. They give you a Twizzlers, and you could drink your lemonade through your Twizzler. Crazy. Hey. Yo, you know you cheated, bro.
I cheated. It was a green light.
No, did you use launch control? You cheated. I got a cameraman. I got one hand on the steering wheel. I had to go from the brake to the gas pedal. You cheated. You cheated. What's going on? Yeah, I know y'all been here. I told him we was gonna go eat, and then we was gonna come over here.
Look how packed it is. I got 3 runs and like nothing.
This is crazy. Man, he got Mopar, man, hanging out. Man, so we just got here right now. Woo! They had like no space for us at all, so we pretty much parked in lines over here, back here. Toward Cat, Christine. You got Manny about to pull up over here right now. With his bag, Hellcat. You got Sam Havens. Sam Havens _
That's me. You know what I'm saying?
Then of course you got Gianni over there hanging out.
Cameraman.
Look at that. Woo, look at that. So Manny actually ran his car. He got here a little bit earlier than we did. He ran his car, but he only ran an 11.3. He said the track prep sucks. He said he got demons and we're only running 10.5. So yeah, man. But he did run an 11.3. Not too bad on a shitty track. Got the 720S. Just chilling. That's a dope color. That gotta be a wrap. That gotta be a wrap. I don't think that's factory.
Oh, you want it? Man, it don't look like a wrap.
You think that's factory? Yeah, that's factory. That's a crazy color. And there you go, man. Just like that, we are back at the house and we are done, man. It's been a long day. Did a couple videos today, man, but it's been a great day, man. Had a lot of fun today. Been out since early this morning, man. Like I said, just kind of chopped up the day for you guys with different videos and whatnot. But like I said, it's been a great time with great people. Man, wife came out to the last event. We got there kind of late, so you know, we didn't really get to see that many races and things like that and all the high horsepower cars. But nonetheless, it was, you know, we had a dope ride up there with some dope cars as you seen and everything else, man. So can't complain, man. That one race with the GT350R, I know it was blurry, but it's kind of better that way anyway. But you guys seen what happened, man. That GT350R, man, is just a beast against that GT500. I'm not sure what he has in it. I don't know if it's stock or not, but it is a GT500, a stock one, Eddie's car. But it is what it is, man. We're just out here having fun, man. Doesn't matter who wins or loses. Out there having fun, man. So that's all I got, man. I'm not gonna do some long drawn out speech, man. That's it for this one. I appreciate you guys for checking out the video, supporting thus far and everything else, supporting the channel, man. Appreciate all the love everybody's been giving. Can't ask much more, man. I always say it all the time, man. Greatly appreciate it. That's it for me, man. As you guys know, I'm your boy Fatkat, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.